Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. I told you we've been working on this 2003 Ford Ranger for one of the boys. Real quick, I'm going to show you a couple things that we've been doing. We're getting really close to getting it back on the road, and I'm going to show you something here real quick. Okay, so we pretty much, we've been through this truck, and I probably missed a lot of opportunities to make some more YouTube videos. Basically, we've got new front brakes, new lower ball joints. When I say new front brakes, I mean calipers, rotors, pads, basically all new. New lower ball joints, new rear brakes. And these are drum brakes, so everything. New spring kit, new shoes, new drums, nice and clean, good to go. We had to replace some brake lines. You can see, pardon me, still getting over this cold. Got a bunch of brake lines in there, pieces that we either screwed up or whatever. We got tools laying everywhere. We replaced the bed. I'm going to do a quick how-to video on that here shortly because the bed replacement is really easy, but there's some things that probably good to know. The tailgate is laying around here somewhere. We talked about the rear brakes. We did all the fluids. We did the diff, the rear diff fluid. We got the steering column partly pulled apart because we were looking in there about the shift linkage. We're going to go down below and adjust that shift linkage because it's really sloppy. Won't pass Maryland inspection. New shocks all the way around. Really nothing in the engine bay aside from running a new brake line. And we still have to do some tidy up work with that. We ran a new brake line all the way from up here in the anti-skid box all the way back to the rear axle. So we've been super busy and it's getting super crazy, but we're just about there. Like I said, every fluid's been replaced, all the brakes, everything. And we just gotta get the rear end off of jacks and tighten down those bed bolts. And I'm gonna do a video on that bed swap real quick here, just so anybody who's interested can see the few steps you have to do to replace that bed. So anyway, thanks for checking in on the 2003 Ford Ranger, and we'll have a few more videos coming here shortly. Next up will be the one for the actual bed swap itself. Have a great day.